Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, name the birthplace of Ma Saroda Devi. A. Jairambati, B. Pune, C. Kanpur. Correct answer is A. Jairambati. Next question, in which state in India is Jairambati located? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Odisha, C. West Bengal. Correct answer is C. West Bengal. Next question. In which year was a Ma Sharoda Devi born? A. Year 1853, B. Year 1888, C. Year 1892. Correct answer is year 1853. Next question. How old was Ma Saroda Devi when she got married to Sri Ramakrishna Devi? A. 10 years, B. 12 years, C. 5 years. The correct answer is C. 5 years. Next question. Ma Saroda Devi is considered as the disciple of Sri Ramakrishna Dev. A. First, B. Third, C. 10th. Correct answer is A. First. Next question. Ma Saroda Devi was called as A. Holy Mother, B. Divine Mother, C. Both A and B. Correct answer is C. Both A and B. Next question. Who were the parents of Ma Saroda Devi? A. Ramachandra Mukhopadhyay and Shamana Sundari Devi, B. Jagannatha Mishra and Sachi Mata, C. Mohana Panduranga and Suguna Devi. Correct answer is A. Ramachandra Mukhopadhyay and Shamya Sundara Devi. Next question. Where did Ma Saroda Devi join Sri Ramakrishna Dev after their marriage? A. Asansol, B. Siliguri, C. Dakshineshwar. Correct answer is C. Dakshineshwar. Next question. When was Sri Ramakrishna born? A. 22nd December 1853, B. 25th December 1836, C. 18th February 1836, D. 12th January 1863. Correct answer is C. 18th February 1836. Next question. In which village was Sri Ramakrishna born? A. Varanasi, B. Calcutta, C. Jairambati, D. Kamarpukur. Correct answer is D. Kamarpukur. Next question. What did the villagers call Ghadardar Sri Ramakrishna for short? A. Ghadai, B. Sri Ramakrishna, C. The Master, D. Naren. Correct answer is A. Ghadai. Next question. The Master was moved to the Kosipore garden house after he developed what type of cancer? A. Lung, B. Throat, C. Stomach, D. Skin. Correct answer is B. Throat. Next question. What was Swami Vivekananda's nickname at home? A. Baile, B. Babu, C. Hari, D. Koka. Correct answer is A. Baile. Next question. Swami Vivekananda was born in Kolkata on 12th Jan 1863. His birthday in India is celebrated as A. National Day of Service, B. National Spiritual Day, C. National Youth Day, D. National Meditation Day. Correct answer is C. National Youth Day. Next question. In which city in the US a street is named after Swami Vivekananda? A. New York, B. Chicago, C. Boston, D. Philadelphia. Correct answer is B. Chicago. Next question. Who gave the name Vivekananda to Swami Vivekananda? A. Maharaja Ajit Singh of Khetri, B. Alasinga Perumal. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. K. Seshadri Layer. Correct answer is A. Maharaja Ajit Singh of Khetri. Next question. Swami Vivekananda gave his first public address in Chicago, but in East where did he give his first public speech? A. Rango, Burma. B. Colombo, Sri Lanka. C. Mumbai, India. D. Madras, Chennai, India. Correct answer is B. Colombo, Sri Lanka. Next question. The 158th birthday anniversary of Swami Vivekananda held in 2013 was marked with the inauguration of a new train. What is the name of the train? A. Vivek Express. B. Vivekananda Express. C. Vedanta Express. D. Yoga Express. Correct answer is A. Vivek Express. Next question. Who said about Swami Vivekananda? Vivekananda saved Hinduism, saved India. A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. C. Raja Gopalachari. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is B. C. Raja Gopalachari. Next question. Who said Swami Vivekananda is the marker of modern India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is D. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.